What's up, guys? Welcome back to this channel. Today this video will be an easy 4-ingredient dragon fruit strawberry smoothie, and I'm starting to be healthy this year, so this is a quick easy smoothie recipe for you guys to start off the year. Alright, so first thing, obviously you need like a blender, because like I use my personal blender and there's the dragon fruit. Obviously, like I don't know, like I have a dragon fruit smoothie pack, but it's just dragon fruit already like mashed up and stuff, so it is just frozen dragon fruit, so that's what you will need. Or you can use the powder, whichever you prefer. And then you'll need strawberries, and I'll show you guys that in a second, obviously because it's dragon fruit strawberry smoothie. Right here, I use Aquafina water. You just need pretty much a liquid, and you don't need to fill it up like completely. I just filled it like I only feel like the bottom part. You guys will see, like I don't know, like maybe 2 tablespoons of water, because you just need a little liquid to help the frozen fruit blend easier. And then to be healthy, I use stevia. It's like a healthy sugar, but you can just use sugar or honey. Honey is also a healthier way to sweeten smoothies and stuff, but I chose stevia, and I use like 3 tablespoons, or 3 spoonful of stevia. Then after that, we're just gonna blend it all together. So basically, you could just this could be any recipe. You could just make a strawberry smoothie, a strawberry banana smoothie, and use stevia to sweeten it. This is just an easier, healthy way to make a delicious smoothie. I just love strawberry and dragon fruit. If you guys know, I made my secret menu, what's it called? Frappuccino from Starbucks, and yeah, it's strawberry and dragon fruit together. So I just love that combination. And you see, as it blends together, it gets a certain color. And yeah, and this blender is amazing. And I got mine for like $12 because I got it off of a Black Friday sale. So this personal blender is just wonderful. I kind of wish like I made more, because I drank the smoothie in it was less than an hour, because it was just so good. And then I didn't I drank it before dinner was ready. And obviously, right here, I'm just giving it a taste test. And yeah, it tastes super good. Yeah. And then here's the pretty product. It looks so, like the color is so popping and cute. And yeah, it's like a red and pink together. Cute. And alright, so I'm going to pour it into my cup, because I bought this also from Target. I bought both of them from Target. But yeah, I bought this cup that I drink out of a lot, especially when I make my smoothies or any other drinks, because I do plan on making a matcha drink, but I need to figure out a recipe for that. Other than that, yeah, so when I make my frappuccinos, I put it in this cup. And just look at that, it's just so cute. I try to make sure I got all of it. Yeah, so I kind of wish I made more where it filled up the cup, because my cup is a 16 ounce. But other than that, that's it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and check the description for the recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.